In the last video, we will continue with the numericals based on mirror formula 1 upon v plus 1 upon u is equal to 1 upon f and magnification for spherical mirrors, that is m is equal to h2 upon h1 is equal to minus v upon u. The seventh question is, an object of height 7 centimeters is kept at a distance of 25 centimeters in front of a concave mirror. Focal length of the mirror is 15 centimeters. At what distance from the mirror should a screen be kept so as to get a clear image, and what will be the size and nature of the image? So, we are given that an object of height 7 centimeters. Height of the object is denoted by h1 and height of the object is 7 centimeters. It is kept at a distance of 25 centimeters in front of the mirror. So object distance is always negative. The object is kept at a distance of 25 centimeters in front of the mirror. So u will be is equal to minus 25 centimeters. Focal length of the mirror is 15 centimeter. It is a concave mirror. Focal length of concave mirror is always negative. At what distance from the mirror should the screen be kept to get a clear image? That is, we have to find the image distance v, and what will be the size of the image, that is h2, size of the image means height of the image, and what will be the nature of the image, whether it will be real or virtual or whether it will be erect or inverted. So before we begin with the mirror formula, that is 1 upon v plus 1 upon u is equal to 1 upon f. So 1 upon v is not known to me, v is not known to me, plus 1 upon u is minus 25 is equal to 1 upon f is minus 15 centimeters. So 1 upon v plus into minus will be minus 1 upon 25 is equal to minus 1 upon 15. So 1 upon v is equal to minus 1 upon 15. I'll shift minus 1 by 25 to right hand side. It will become plus 1 upon 25. It's a fraction, so I will use LCM method to find the I'll find out the LCM of 15 and 25. So 5 3s are 15 and 5 5s are 25. 3 1s are 3 and 5 1s are 5. So LCM is 5 3s are 15 and 15 5s are will be 75. So LCM is equal to 75. So 1 upon v is equal to minus 1 upon 15. In order to make the denominator 75, 15 5s are 75. So numerator also will be multiplied by 5 plus 1 upon 25. 25 3s is 75 into 3. So 1 upon v is equal to minus 5 upon 75 plus 3 upon 75. So 1 upon v is equal to, take a common denominator 75 minus 5 plus 3. So 1 upon v will be is equal to minus 5 plus 3 will be minus 2 upon 75. So if 1 upon v is minus 2 upon 75, we can take the invertendo in order to get the value of v. So 1 upon v will become v upon 1 and minus 2 upon 75 will become minus 75 upon 2. So v will be is equal to 75 upon 2 will be 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14 and 2 5s are 10. So minus 37.5 centimeters. Negative value of v indicates that the image is formed on the left side of the mirror. So the screen should be kept at a distance of 37.5 centimeters in front of the mirror. Negative value of v indicates that the image is a real image. So the image is real. Now we have to find out the size of the image. So we use the magnification formula. M is equal to h2 upon h1 is equal to minus v upon u. h2 is the height of the image which we have to calculate, upon h1 is the height of the object 7 centimeters, is equal to minus, what is V? V is minus 37.5 upon U is minus 25. So H2 upon 7 is equal to minus into minus will be plus 37.5 upon minus 25. So H2 into minus 25 is equal to 37.5 into 7. So what will be H2? H2 is equal to 37.5 into 7 upon minus 25. If you want to play safe, you can remove the decimal from 37.5 and do the division. So it will be H2 is equal to 375 into 7 upon minus 25. So the decimal is after one place, so I will put 10 in the denominator in order to remove the decimal from the numerator, because the decimal is after one place. So now I will divide 375 and 250. So 5 5s are 25, 0, 5 7s are 35, 36, 37, 5 5s are 25. 25 2s are 50 and 25 3s are 75. So H2 will be is equal to 21 upon minus 2, that is minus 21 upon 2, isn't it? And this will be is equal to minus 2 1s are 2, 0, 2 5s are 10, minus 10.5 centimeters. Negative value of the height of the image indicates that the image is an inverted image. So height of the image is 10.5 centimeters. The image is inverted. And why inverted? Because the value is negative. And we can also write whether the image is diminished or enlarged or it is of the same size. Height of the object is 7 centimeters. Height of the image is 10.5 centimeters. Which means that image size is bigger than the object size. So you can write and enlarged also. Eighth question is a 10 centimeter long stick. So stick is the object. H1 will be is equal to 10 centimeters. The stick is kept in front of a concave mirror which has a focal length of 10 centimeters. So focal length of concave mirror is negative. So it will be minus 10 centimeters. And the stick is kept in such a way that the end of the stick closest to the pole is at a distance of 20 centimeters. That means object distance u is equal to minus 20 centimeters. Object distance is always negative. We have to find out what will be the length of the image. That is, we have to find out the height of the image. That is, we have to find out H2. Okay, so first we will find out the value of V from U and F. So 1 upon V plus 1 upon U is equal to 1 upon F. 1 upon V is equal to plus 1 upon U is minus 20 is equal to 1 upon F. F is minus 10. So 1 upon V plus into minus will be minus 20 is equal to minus 1 upon 10. So 1 upon V is equal to minus 1 upon 10. Minus 1 upon 10 on the right hand side will be shifted. It will become plus 1 upon 20. 1 upon 20 will be shifted on the right hand side. It will become plus 1 upon 20. So 1 upon V is equal to LCM of 10 and 20 will be obviously 20. So 10, if the LCM is 20 into 2 plus 1 upon 20. So 1 upon V will be minus 2 upon 20 plus 1 upon 20. So we have a common denominator now, 20. So the numerator will be minus 2 plus 1. 1 upon V is equal to minus 2 plus 1 will be minus 1 upon 20. Invertendo, V is equal to minus 20 centimeters. Negative value of V indicates that the image of the stick will be formed on the same side of the mirror, that is on the left hand side of the mirror. Now we have to find out the length of the image, that is magnification is equal to h2 upon h1 is equal to minus v upon u. So do we know h2? h2 we have to calculate the height of the image upon height of the object is 10 is equal to minus v. So minus v is minus 20 centimeters upon how much is u? U is also minus 20. So h2 upon 10 is equal to minus into minus will be plus 20 upon minus 20. So h2 into minus 20 is equal to 20 into 10. So h2 will be is equal to 20 into 10 divided by minus 20. So 20 will get cancelled. h2 is equal to minus 10 centimeters. So the height of the or the length of the image will be 10 centimeters. The image will be inverted because the negative value of height indicates that it is an inverted image, and inverted image is always a real image. So we'll write that the height of the image is 10 centimeters. It is an inverted and real image. Sum number 9. A convex mirror has a focal length of 18 centimeter. Focal length of convex mirror is always positive. So f is equal to 18 centimeter. The image of an object which is kept in front of the mirror is half the height of the object. That means the height of the image is half the height of the object. That is h2 is equal to half of h1. What is the distance of the object from the mirror? Distance of the object from the mirror. That is we have to find out object distance u. Now we know that the magnification which is produced by a spherical mirror is equal to h2 upon h1. So magnification will be is equal to h2. How much is h2? Half of h1. So this h2 half will be substituted as half of h1. Okay. Upon h1. Okay. So magnification will be half of h1. And this h1 means h1 upon 1. So we will have to take the reciprocal of h1 upon 1. So this will become 1 upon h1. h1 and h1 will get cancelled. Magnification m will be is equal to half. We also know that magnification is equal to minus v upon u, which is equal to half now. So minus v upon u is equal to half, because m is half, therefore minus v upon u will also be equal to half. So I can take that minus v into 2 is equal to u. So I will take v is equal to minus v is equal to half of u. That is v will be is equal to, I'll transfer the negative sign to the right hand side, it will become v is equal to minus 1 upon 2 u. So now I will use the mirror formula, 1 upon v plus 1 upon u is equal to 1 upon f. Now 1 upon v, now when I am going to substitute v, I will be substituting this value for v, that is minus 1 upon 2 u plus 1 upon u. Do I know u? No. I have to calculate u. Is equal to 1 upon f is equal to 18. So 1 upon minus 1 by 2. So I will take the reciprocal of 1 upon 2. So this 1 will remain as it is into minus 1u upon 2 will become 2 upon minus u. Okay, this will become reciprocal because division will become multiplication. Plus 1 upon u is equal to 1 upon 18. So we get 2 ones are 2. Let me shift the negative sign on top. Minus 2 upon u plus 1 upon u is equal to 1 upon 18. Denominator is common, so I'll take a common denominator. Minus 2 plus 1 is equal to 1 upon 18. So minus 2 plus 1 will be minus 1 upon u is equal to 1 upon 18. So cross multiply, u is equal to minus 1 into 18 will be minus 18 centimeters. So we have to find out what is the distance of the object from the mirror. So we got the distance of the object from the mirror. The distance of the object from the convex mirror is 18 centimeters. So I'll highlight the answer and I'll also write down the answer in words. The distance of the object from the convex mirror is 18 centimeters. Negative value is very clearly indicating that the object is kept on the left hand side of the convex mirror.